Welcome back to A Taste of K. I'm back with another cooking video, and today I'll be making some hot honey chicken wings. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends and family to help the channel grow. Now let's get into the video. The ingredients I'll be using today is 4 pounds of chicken wings, which I did clean with salt, lime, as well as vinegar. I'm also using 1 to 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, as well as slap your mama seasoning, 1/4 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, paprika, and black pepper. I'll also use half a cup of honey, half a cup of Frank's hot sauce, as well as 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Now with the chicken wings, I did clean it with some salt, lime, as well as vinegar. I'll allow it to sit in this citrus marinade for about 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing under cool water and then patting dry with a paper towel. In a little bowl, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of the garlic powder, onion powder, as well as slap your mama seasoning. I'm also adding 1/4 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, paprika, as well as black pepper. I'm going to mix this all together, and this is what I'm going to season the chicken wings with. Before adding the seasoning mix that I just mixed together, I'm going to drizzle the chicken wings with some avocado oil, and then I'll add the seasoning mix, and I'm going to mix until all of the chicken wings are well coated. I'm only using the avocado oil because I want this seasoning to stick to the chicken wings. I will be cooking this in the air fryer. If I was going to deep fry this, I'll probably add a little mustard instead of the avocado oil. Now that the chicken wing is well seasoned, I'm going to allow this to marinate in the fridge for 2 hours. Before cooking in the air fryer, I will place it on the counter and allow it to get back to room temperature. I preheat the air fryer on 400 degrees for 5 minutes before placing the chicken wings. To get the chicken wings crispy and golden brown, I'm going to cook it in 2 batches. I'm going to start off with the drums first. I'm going to lay them in the air fryer basket in a single layer. The air fryer that I'm using is the Kosoricooks air fryer. If you'd like to see the unboxing video when I first purchased this, you can check the link in the description box below. I'm going to air fry the drumettes on 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. I am selecting the chicken option. Halfway through, I'm going to stop the air fryer so I can flip the drumettes, and I'm going to place it back in the air fryer so it can continue cooking for the remainder of the 25 minutes. When it comes to the flat, I won't cook it for 25 minutes because they're a little thinner compared to the drumettes. I'll cook it for about 20 minutes. Here is how the drumettes look right out of the oven. I'm going to go ahead and start air frying the flats, and then I'll move on to the hot honey sauce. Here's one reason why I'm taking a liking to cooking chicken wings in the air fryer instead of deep frying. Here's the fat that was rendered from the chicken wings after it was done cooking in the air fryer. This hot honey sauce is pretty easy to make. All I'm doing is in a saucepan, I'm going to melt 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. To that, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of frank hot sauce as well as 1/2 cup of honey. I'm going to allow everything to simmer for about 5 minutes. I'm using frank hot sauce, but feel free to use any hot sauce that you like. The hot honey sauce did not take a long time to put together. While the flats are still cooking in the air fryer, I'm going to go ahead and sauce the drumettes. All I'm doing is pouring about 1/2 of the sauce onto the drumettes. I'll save the other 1/2 for the flats. Now there you have it, hot honey chicken wings.